Okay, we're going to run ANCOVA and SPSS now. And remember, there are 3 steps here. The first step, we want a significant result. The second step, we want a not significant result. That's for the parallel regression line. And the third step, what you get is what you get. So the research question I'm looking at is I want to know if there's a difference in marital satisfaction between males and females controlling for parental skills. I think parenting skills and marital satisfaction are related. If you have good parenting skills, that can probably help to improve your marital satisfaction. If not, it may detract from it. Okay, so I'm going to start out in step 1. I want to go to Analyze, drag down to Correlate, and across to Bivariate. My dependent variable is marital satisfaction, which is right here. And my covariate is parenting skills, which is here. So I'm going to click on OK. And this is significant. I'm going to come back and talk to this about this in the last video. So I can go on. Next, I'm going to go to general linear model and univariate. I'm going to plug in marital satisfaction as my dependent variable. My independent variable is gender. I'm going to put that here in the fixed factor box. And my last variable that I have in this analysis is parenting skills. And that is the covariate, so I'm going to put it in the covariate box. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I'm going to go to the options box on the right hand side. I'm going to move gender over to the display means for, and then I'm going to click on descriptive statistics, estimates of effect size, and homogeneity tests, and I'll click on continue. And then I'm going to click on the model box, and I'm going to get something that looks like this. Another little box here. So what I want to do now is I'm going to click on Custom. Under Specified Model, I'm going to click on Custom, and I'm going to click on my independent variable and move it over. Then I'm going to click on my covariate and move it over. Okay, now while I'm still in here, I am going to hold my Shift key down and click on gender and parenting skills at the same time. I'm going to make sure that this box in the middle says interaction. I'm going to click on the arrow, and then I'm going to click on continue and OK. And here are my results for this part. Now what I'm looking for is this interaction test here between gender and parenting skills. This is going to tell me whether or not my lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, then the interaction is going to be not significant, because if lines are not parallel, they cross, and then you have a significant interaction. So my F here, the probability is 0.624. This is greater than 0.05. This is one of the few cases where you want something to be not significant, and it is. So we can continue back here. So I'm going to go back to Analyze, General Linear Model, and Univariate. And what you need to do is you need to go back and do the first 5 steps that you had done previously, which are actually going to be in here. If you'll notice, your variables are still in here. So we're going to go back to the model box, and in the model box we're going to click on full factorial and then continue and then OK. And now, as you can see, we get our means and standard deviations. We get a test for gender. It turns out there is no difference in marital satisfaction between males and females controlling for parental skills. And here are my covariates.